The Ringworld Engineers by Larry Niven. Welcome to our deep dive into The Ringworld Engineers, the sequel to Larry Niven's masterpiece, Ringworld. Join us as we explore this grand-scale science fiction adventure where impossible engineering meets daring explorations. We return to the enigmatic Ringworld, a giant artificial habitat of unfathomable size. Our protagonist, Louis Wu, is guided by the inscrutable alien, the Puppeteer, speaker to animals, now known as Chmi. The diverse team's quest is compelled by a need to understand and ultimately save the Ringworld from impending doom. Amidst their exploration, our heroes confront the original inhabitants of Ringworld, beings whose technological might shaped their home into an orbital marvel. Louis Wu delves deeper into their culture and history, shedding light on the Ringworld's enigmatic past and precarious future. The party encounters advanced technologies and faces existential threats, including the Ringworld's defense systems. Louis spirals through a psychological journey, testing his wits and will. The stakes are monumental. Failure would mean the destruction of the Ringworld and all its wonders. In The Ringworld Engineers, Niven expands on the themes of survival and innovation. The novel grapples with legacy, as the characters unearth the ambitions and fallibilities of the Ringworld's creators, reflecting on the capacity for greatness and error inherent in all sentient life. Our review: The Ringworld Engineers is an epic continuation of Niven's universe. While some readers may find the pace slower than the original, the intricate details offer a satisfying exploration of Ringworld's mechanics and mysteries. It stands as a monument to Niven's richly imagined cosmos. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey through the Ringworld Engineers. If you've enjoyed unraveling the cosmic layers of Larry Niven's universe, like, share, and subscribe for more literary adventures. Until next time, keep turning the pages and let the stories take you to new heights.